got loads done.
How's it going?
What's up? So, say hello to your vlog today.
Rap vlog!
Your car, because you've got shades wrap and crystal clear everywhere, and then you've got a little
Good to me.
taxi. That's quite a big one, there.
Yeah, but I wouldn't. Yeah, it's not obvious that it's theirs.
No.
I wouldn't say personally. Car.
It's got a big shield and blow like that.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That's it. I don't know about what to do on the front bumper. No, we'll leave it as it is.
Yeah.
Maybe even like a little 118 taxis, just so from the front you can another something for them. I wouldn't have none of your lot on it.
Yeah, you've got bonnet.
You've got too much enough as it is. Oh, that's nice.
And a day glow.
Didn't see him.
He's shiny.
Yes. Not for long.
Don't touch.
Let's go outside. Look at that. It's cut a little bit too deep.
White, yellow,
They've got nice orange, nice yellow.
or just keep it
Stands
orange.
out, doesn't it? Boring, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it reflective? No, it's not.
Yeah, put it. Yeah, like that.
There's too many angles, isn't it? It's rubbish.
Yeah, you put it straight across the front, but it's hard.
Oh god, no, actually. You just video me the entire time.
Pretty much. Yeah, I got an SD card for game.
You got one for him?
Yeah.
Oh, he did say actually. When did I speak to him the other day? He said, "Do you want to come on the 28th drifting?"
Oh, that. What, this month?
Yeah.
What day's that?
Saturday the 28th.
Yeah, why not?
Brand new door bar. I'm gonna debadge this, I think.
Yeah? Maybe put 118 taxis where the D badge is then.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, I think that looked good.
Well, you really haven't made that.
What am I doing? The sun's got to my head, I think.
Well done, buddy.
I've done it!
You are, haven't you?
Yeah. Can go down a bit further too.
Got like a little grind box, grind rail, two flat with a height where the shutter down to. Huge flat bar with a big spine.
Polished the boot.
Daryl!
Have you polished the boot? No, not yet.
Can I do it before I put this sticker on?
Yeah. Doesn't really come out when it gets out there.
That goes.
Blue!
Yeah.
You're gonna get in trouble for that.
Why?
Didn't mask it up.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking as I was going around the badge.
It's on camera.
I'm a pro. Don't worry about it. It's a track car. Fully boxed just from that little bit of machine polishing. They're warm, isn't it?
Why is it getting so hot?
It's just what it is.
I'm hooked. Should be measuring this too.
Track car.
You measuring? We do freestyles. Thank you.
Oh, you got proper ketchup.
Yeah, I hate that cheap stuff.
Can you catch up with me?
Tea time! Grab yourself a burger. Or Harry
Or
better.
at least a
Wow.
bun.
Has a better one before everyone.
Is that? But not,
Is
worth it.